Greeting faithful followers. I want to introduce you to a new camera we got to test for BlackVue, which is the DR770X Box 3-channel Pro with 3 recording cameras. It is a special type of camera that has 3 separate cameras and a recording unit. These are full HD cameras, front and back, and infrared internal camera that will cover the inside of the car. With the cameras, you also get a SOS key that will save all your shots you want to save on a microSD 64GB microSD card you get in the box. All 3 cameras use back-illuminated Starvis image sensors that produce clear details in both shadows and highlights, thanks to high sensitivity and wide dynamic range. Ultra-wide interior-facing camera. The 180-degree view angle allows to cover both driver's side and passenger side windows in most vehicles. With its infrared illumination LEDs, it captures clear details even in complete darkness. As with all the BlackVue products in the box, you always get everything you need for a self-installation dash cam. All 3 cameras are powered by an attached audio-video cable, and you don't have to run an extra voltage cable. With each camera, you also get extra stickers you can use if you move the camera to another car. A separate GPS sensor, also located in the box, simply connects into the USB port. This allows you to track your vehicle in real time via BlackVue Cloud and view its location on a map during playback in the BlackVue app or viewer. At the end of this video, you can see the BlackVue camera footage in day and night conditions, as well as a comparison with the DR970X Plus model. Subscribe to our channel, enjoy the rest of the video, and I hope we are watching again soon.